morning. So it is just after 9, I think, and at 10 a.m. we need to vacate this spot, but we can stay at the visitor parking. Just gonna quickly move the car and we get more sun, at least in the cooking compartment. Beauty. Today I'm making Deluxe cheese crackers. What we need is a thin cracker, a slab of avocado. Just gonna take it right from the bottom here. Too much cream. This is basically how the wheel was discovered. Let's make it half a wheel. You then need some triple cream brie. Make sure that you only have enough for 1 or 2 crackers. Then chop up some green onion. Oh, I learned something. You're not supposed to do this with a knife. Yeah, that, don't do that. Right, put that on top. That's obviously way too much. Some pepper. Just gonna hit it with the because I don't own a ratchet yet, but I'm saving up. And some salt. Okay, for actual breakfast we're just gonna do some fried eggs as always. Actual coffee, so much better. Right, it is 1:30 and we want to leave the Curio Bay Curiosity area. So we're here now, and now we want to visit the Slope Point, which is the southernmost point of the South Island, and then head to the lighthouse and then sleep here at Fort Trost because there's a shipwreck that we want to look at tomorrow morning when the tide is low. So the first stop is the Slope Point. Next up, Waikaka, which is a historic lighthouse. What? Where's this site? Maybe this one. Maybe this is the slab they talked about. Maybe bench here. So this is the Tararua Acre, which is a cemetery where the people who died on the shipwreck were buried. Alright, the last leg of today is to get to Fortrose, to get to the campground. So I think it doesn't look too bad, does it?